Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Red from the new Angry Birds 2 movie coming out. So, to start off with Red, we are going to begin with his eyes. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then around like this. And then on top of it, I'm going to draw a diagonal line. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to draw another diagonal line and then bring it down like this. Then I'm going to draw a circle shape right there, and then another one right here, and I'm going to color this one in. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a circle line for the eye. I'm going to draw the diagonal line for the eyebrow. Another line up. Another diagonal line, and then a line that just comes down. And then same thing, I'm going to draw a circle and then another one in here, and I'm just going to color in this one. Now for the beak. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then comes down. And then I'm going to draw a line down here that goes down and then comes up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then back up to the other side. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down to here. And then I'm going to make a few little zigzag lines up here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down on the other side. Then, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then comes down. And then another line that goes down, comes back like this. Then a line that goes out and then comes back up. Then I'm going to draw a line here that goes down and then comes back up for another feather. And then another one that goes down and then comes back up. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves down, and then the same thing here. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and up. And then I'm going to connect this line. And then I'm going to draw another line that goes down and then comes back up for the other leg. Then for this foot, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes out and then curves around for one toe. Draw a little line. Then an oval shape for this toe. And then a line that curves around for this toe. Then over here, I'm going to draw the line that comes back to here. And then I'm going to go down and then curve up. And then I'm going to draw another line that kind of curves around here like this for the foot. Then he's got two feathers up here, so I'm going to start by just drawing kind of like an oval shape that goes around like this. And then I'm going to make another one that comes around here. Then I'm going to draw a line down the center and throw a couple little extra lines around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Red from the Angry Birds 2 movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.